City's World. Okay, today I will gonna show you how to make the coco macaroons. Opo. Simple recipe po ng coco macaroons. Actually, the recipe I got it from the back of the Dessicated Coconut. Ayan. So, andito po siya. It's very simple lang. Ayan. I hope you can read it. Ayan. So 5 basic recipe lang yung kailangan. The desiccated coconut, butter, eggs, condensed milk, what else? And sugar. Okay. So, yun lang po. So, hope I just tried this one. Tingnan ko lang kung gaano siya kalasa at sawag to kung hindi gaano masyadong matamis. Actually, yung measurement ng sugar niya is 1 cup here. So, in-adjust ko siya into half cup lang. Kasi, condensed milk, 1 can. So, it's too sweet for me. Kasi hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa matamis. So, you can adjust. Pwede pa nga niyong gawing 1/4 cup. So, it's up to you guys. So, to adjust the sugar. So, for now, half cup ko lang siya. So, titikman ko po mamaya kung sobrang tamis or tama lang yung tamis. So, hindi ko na siya babawasan. So, okay guys. So, sana magustuhan niyo po yung aking simpleng tutorial how to make the coco macaroons. Okay? So, guys, sana if you like this video, I hope you will like this video. Just click the like button there, and of course you can share it to your friends, to your family if you like. And then, of course, the important thing is you must subscribe to MCD's World channel, and don't forget to click that bell button to be notified po sa aking mga upcoming videos. Okay guys, so hope you like this, and gonna show you later how to do it. Thank you guys, and see you later. Bye! Okay guys, let's get started. So for the 5 ingredients, you will need a half a cup of white sugar, a half a cup of melted butter, 1 can of condensed milk, 4 eggs, and 200 grams desiccated coconut. So here we have to beat the eggs, slightly beaten siya ng maigi. Then after that, we will add in the white sugar. This is half a cup again. If you don't like too sweet, you can lessen the sugar also. You can adjust the sugar if you don't like your macarons sweet. That's it. So yeah, i-dissolve lang natin siya here sa ating egg. Then we will add the melted butter. Then again, mix it to the other ingredients hanggang mag-incorporate siya at mag-dissolve. Okay. Then we will add the condensed milk. Pour in natin yung condensed milk. Incorporate na po yung natin, yung condensed milk into the butter, egg, and sugar. There you go. So we can add here vanilla. Just 2 teaspoons of vanilla. There you go. Just to have a good smell, and it will add a good flavor also to your macarons. And now we will pour in now the desiccated coconut. So slowly. There you go. Okay. Just perfect. So we'll scrape this. So everything hop in there. Then we'll mix this again. Just a few mix until all the ingredients incorporate and dissolve. To scrape the rest of the ingredients at the side of the bowl. So everything will incorporate there. Okay guys? So this is very simple. So this is ready. So we will pour this into the macaron molder. Tingnan natin po natin siya ng mga macaron liner. Isa-isa po natin lalagyan. So here is the macaron liners. Wala akong nahanap na yung colorful, yung iba-ibang kulay. So this time, ito lang muna gagamitin ko. So each of this, medyo malaki yung size niya. 2 inch. Malaki yung size na nakuha ko. Dapat smaller siya. Okay, so ilagay natin dito sa molder, isang kutsarang ganyan. Ayan. About 3/4 ng liner niya. Ayan. So, same thing sa iba. So lahat ng molder, ganito ang gagawin natin. Okay? Hi guys! Ito na po. Luto na po yung ating coco macarons. Ayan. So, bali, binake ko po siya ng 14 minutes. So, nag-extend lang ako ng another 5 minutes dahil gusto ko po siya medyo golden brown. So, at saka medyo crunchy-crunchy sa top. Pero, dito sa loob, yung target ko is soft pa rin yung loob niya. So, ayan. So, this is tikitan. This is tikiman time. Tasting time. Tasting time? Tama ba yun? Taste. Ayan. Tikim-tikim. Ayan. So, this is it guys. So, ayan. Actually, bagong labas lang to ng oven. So, madali siyang, mainit pa siya actually. So, it's kind hot, pero kasi masarap siyang tikman pag mainit. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan nyo, crunchy siya. Kasi yung top niya, crunchy. Yet dito soft. Very soft yung loob. Ayan nyo. Ayan.
Don't try this yourself.
Medyo a little bit of matamis pa. So, next time, pag gawa ko nito, bawasan ko pa siya. Instead of, kasi ang measurement po niya dito sa binigay ng package dito sa likod is 1 cup. So, ginawa ko siyang 1/2 cup. So, medyo natatamisan pa ako ng konti. So, next time na gagawa ko, babawasan ko siya. So, I will make it 1/4 cup na lang instead. Okay? Just to lessen the sweetness of these macaroons. Kasi ayaw ko talaga ng matamis sobra. Ayan. So, it's up to you guys naman. So, you can adjust the sugar as you wish, as you like, kung ano yung gustong level ng tamis ng ano nyo, ginagawa nyo. Okay guys? So, walang basagan ng trip. Okay, so, you can make this at home. You can make this at home if you have birthday, celebration, any celebration like birthdays, fiesta, basta lahat. So, you can make this coco macarons at home. So, nag-yield po siya, yung 200 grams na desiccated coconut, nag-yield po siya ng 44 pieces na coco macarons. Okay? So, it's up to you paano siya ibebenta. Okay. So, diba, maraming nagawa yung isang 200 grams na desiccated coconuts sa binigay kong recipe at saka yung measurement. So, hope you will like my video guys. So, sana i-subscribe niyo po yung aking channel. Kasi marami pang upcoming videos na mga tutorial regarding sa baking. Okay? So, MCB's World is not only for baking, actually guys. So, madaming content, iba-ibang content yung pumapasok sa channel ko. But, most higher percentage is more on baking. Okay guys? So, again, thank you so much for watching and hope you will like this tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna eat this Ubusin ko muna to bago ako mag-goodbye. Pasuya lang ba? Diba ang sarap? Pili yun. Yummy siya. Promise. Try this at home. Bye-bye. And thank you for watching. Bye!